Hello guys, welcome to our channel A to Z PCO. We provide one-to-one and group training, and you can contact us through the mobile number that is on the channel. So we'll look into this Rowan Road to Chancellor's Road. Let's click on this, and these are the 2 points, so traveling from green to red. So let's zoom in a bit just to show you where we are. So this is the kind of a route that we'll look into to take, right? So to start with, we can see that this is a one way, so we can't go this way again. We need to see how we can come towards this Hammersmith. So let's start this. So click on this. First click on this, and then you can go this way, and then you can come down because this is one way. And now from here, making sure that you stay on the left side, and then you turn this way, and then you can come down. And again, this one here, because we are going to take this. This is a flyover, so that doesn't matter where we are at the moment because it's a flyover. So we can stay down here, and we can go this way, and then come down. And let's see where the point is. So the point is here. So staying on the left side, don't touch any of those lines, and then come in here, straight in, and then from here straight in, and make sure you just touch this point as well. So that's the most direct route that we have taken. The only thing that you need to remember is this was a one way, so we couldn't join Hammersmith directly from here. And the other thing here, this is a flyover, so it doesn't matter that we are coming from here because it's a flyover and we are not on top of that road. So I'll see you in the next video.